Alright, what is up, chat? Welcome to the stream. Today is day 85 of live day trading NASDAQ futures. Today we are on top step with 5 50k combines. As you can see here, bang. Coming off the back of the last week, there were some wins. Overall, we finished green in the week. This is also day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today's day 10 of PJ Trade's one trade a day challenge for 21 days. We are in a trade at the moment, actually, so let's go flick to that right now. Okay, so you might be thinking, why is he shorting all-time highs? Well, today's the confluence of today is, as you can see, we are currently in bullish structure. Yes, that's correct. However, at this all-time high area, I do have an entry model, which is counter trend trading model, and what it speaks to, what it needs to be triggered is a, if I can show you really quickly before I potentially might get closed out here. I might just stretch this stop loss just a bit further there. Bang bang. Okay, so what this counter trend setup is on the 3 minutes / 15 minutes, so it's kind of, you know, maneuverable in that sense. The idea is it's like a triple top or a double top like this with inducement. Okay, so double top with inducement, or another way to think of it is like a triple top, and something that like there, 1, 2, 3, something that helps build the confidence or the confluence of this trade is a point of interest that is generally an engulfing candle at the opposite side. We don't have that this time, which makes it a slightly lower probability trade, but that is all right. We are taking we're looking at a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward trade potentially. Let me just time that. Now, honestly, to be honest, I might have jumped the gun a little bit too early. I didn't wait for the right side of the V, which is Lance Brightstein, but that's all right. So let's just have a look at my actual execution. I took 15 micros at this point here. There it is, one entry, there it is. Stop loss, what are we looking at? 18 points. Okay, that's quite fair. I'm gonna take the I guess profit to this point here. Actually, I want to reduce the risk reward. So 1.3 risk to reward. Now I'm aiming for the, I guess if we have a look in the 3 minutes, looks like a point of interest down here. Okay, so that's the demand point of interest. Demand point of interest, and I'm looking for a quick trade there, 1 to 1.3 risk to reward trade. Risking about 540. Okay, watching price. The reason which gave me this, which gave me a little bit more confidence, was the rejection on the 15-minute candle there. This massive wick here, as you can see. But yeah, we shall see how it plays out. There's no news today. Nothing crazy. No news. Tomorrow night, 11:45 p.m. There's PMI. But apart from that, there's nothing on. So we are at currently all-time highs. Just swept it just then. So we shall see how this plays out, chat. Currently we're in the red. We are not looking too great here. But that's alright. Regardless, we will take this trade and journal the trade. If it's bad, then at least I have data for that. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it, chat. That's what this trade is today. Yeah, definitely could have waited for the right side of the V. Could have waited for it to come down and then take that, but definitely jumped the gun there. Question is, do I close this one out early? Okay, is it hovering all-time highs? Volume's picking up. Yeah, it might just close me out here, chat. Might just close me out here. Wondering whether I should close this one off early, chat. I have seen this was the initial sweep here, and the price has come for a deeper sweep, which I've seen sometimes after the deeper sweep reverses. Okay, so there was initial sweep and then into the deeper sweep, which could be grabbing all the liquidity before moving down. Now it is a Monday. Okay. A lot of people in longs here, yeah. This might be the L here, chat. Alright, I'll just wait for it to close me out if it does. Quick trade today, guys. Quick one. Might be a quick one today, chat. Alright, that's it. No worries. Well, at least I can collect data on this. It's very interesting. Next time, I guess, I can sort of map this out and maybe look at taking longs potentially. Interesting sort of setup. Actually, this is actually quite similar to yesterday's trade, not gonna lie. So maybe I need to revise my entries. I think yesterday's trade was somewhere around here. Oh. Yeah, similar to this kind of area here. So I'm definitely on the wrong side of the market right now. Trying to short all-time highs. Oh, bloody hell. If you watched the beginning of the video, I did have a long set up because I did want to get a long off. They are more high probability. I had something more mapped out down here, but it just didn't look like it was coming around. I wanted to take a long up from here, but I guess I was just too impatient. Really wanted to jump into the short here, which is not the greatest. So, oh well, is what it is. That's the one trade for today. Something